So how to fix subtitles not working on Rave app? So there is a fix, and this fix is available in version 6.9.1. So yeah, this update, just a standard text, brings bug fixes and security improvements. And yeah, after using this update, you will be able to go to Rave app video, and then if you just tap on the video first, tap on your icon in top left, and then you can just tap on there, and then you will be able to see different subtitles. And yep, so just see different, and then you can just tap on those subtitles, and that's basically how you change them. Before this update, when you tapped on this subtitle badges, they just were not responsive. So now seems it should be working up again. Just go to the Rave app and update for this version 6.9.1. So version 6.9 has a bug, but 6.9.1 is without this bug where you can use subtitles again. However, in this new version, I can't pause video anymore, so the video can't be paused anymore for some reason. But yeah, there you have it.